Hello Filecoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. First of all, I want to congratulate all Filecoin holders because in this video I'm talking about the emergency and urgent news of the Filcoin, but this news is going good news for all Filecoin holders, my friends. Never miss, and please click the subscribe button if you don't subscribe. Also like this video, my friends. Let's start the video, friends, and let's see the latest update of the Filecoin. And after that we will discuss the next move, the next target of Filecoin in the market. My friends, this time the latest price of the Filecoin is 68.32 USD dollar. 68.32 USD dollar is the currently live price of the Filecoin in the market. And the BTC price of the Filecoin is 0.001947172 is the BTC price of the Filecoin in this time in the market. If you want more details about the Filecoin, so the 24 hours trading volume, the market cap, every update present on the front of your eyes on the screen, you can easily read it. My market cap, total supply, 24 hours trading volume, supply, and the available supply in this time of the Filecoin. My friends, congratulations. My friends, you know what is the good news for Filecoin holders? The good news is that Filecoin take a pump in the last hour. In the last 60 minutes, the Filecoin start pumping. And personally, my friends, I'm very happy to the Filecoin when I see the positive trends of going the Filecoin. The 24 hours trading volume is negative, last 70% is negative, but the last 1 hour pricing is going positive. That is why I'm feeling good about a Filecoin, my friends. Let me show you the price chart of the Filecoin. Oh my god, it's absolutely the price of the Filecoin is very badly fast down in a previous time, but now the current situation you can see here gradually. I think from the previous last 4-5 hours the Filecoin start jumping gradually, my friends. Anyways, my prediction is going positive about Filecoin, and I hope that they will continue this jump for a long time, my friends. What is your opinion and what is your prediction about Filecoin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.